For the past decade, U.S. stocks have dominated the headlines. But market leadership rotates, and history shows entire decades where international stocks outperform the U.S. Most investors are heavily concentrated in America without even realizing it. Today, we're breaking down VXUS, one of the simplest ways to own the entire world outside the United States, and why global diversification still matters. Part 1. What is VXUS? VXUS is a passive ETF that tracks the FTSE Global All-Cap ex-US Index. In simple terms, VXUS gives you exposure to thousands of companies across developed and emerging markets, excluding US stocks. Instead of picking countries or international stocks yourself, VXUS packages global diversification into one low-cost fund. Part 2. Key characteristics. VXUS, the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF, is designed for diversification and long-term balance. As of this video, it manages over $137 billion, making it highly liquid and accessible, with an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.05%. VXUS holds over 8,000 companies across Europe, Japan, Canada, China, India, Australia, and more, offering exposure to a truly global market. Its dividend yield is typically higher than U.S. growth ETFs, often around 2 to 3%, providing modest income in addition to growth. This isn't a high-flying tech fund. It's a broad international exposure tool built to complement a U.S.-focused portfolio and reduce single-country concentration risk. Part 3. Top holdings. VXUS spreads its weight across global leaders in multiple industries. Some of its largest holdings typically include TSMC, ASML, Nestle, Samsung, Toyota, and Alibaba. Even though these are not U.S. companies, they dominate industries we interact with every day, from technology and semiconductors to consumer goods, manufacturing, and financial services. These companies represent the backbone of global innovation and production, giving VXUS exposure to sectors beyond U.S. tech and offering investors a truly diversified international portfolio. Part 4. Performance. International markets move in cycles. There have been periods, like the early 2000s, when international stocks significantly outperformed the S&P 500, and periods, like much of the 2010, when U.S. large-cap stocks dominated. VXUS reflects these global cycles. Since its inception, it has delivered average annual returns of around 6.32%, but recently it's been flying. Over the last 3 years, it's returned 16.12% annually, and just in the past year, it's up more than 35.18%. This surge suggests investors may view the U.S. market as overheated and are increasingly diversifying into international stocks. Because VXUS includes emerging markets and currency exposure, returns can be more volatile at times, but over the long term, global diversification has historically reduced single-country concentration risk. Part 5. Why invest in VXUS? VXUS makes sense for investors who believe in the long-term growth of economies beyond the United States, reducing overexposure to U.S. megacap tech, and owning thousands of international companies in a single fund. It's ideal for those seeking a long-term, diversified, set-and-forget strategy. If your portfolio is heavily U.S.-focused, VXUS can add balance and global reach without the need to research or manage foreign markets yourself. Part 6. Real-world example. Imagine investing just $100 per week into VXUS for 30 years. If it continues to deliver its historical returns of around 6.32% annually, your portfolio could grow to over $400,000. If this video helped you understand VXUS, please like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns.